Hello guys, Robert here, and this is what we're going to build today. Okay, this is an e-commerce website specifically built for selling electronics, but really you could use this theme to build just about any type of an e-commerce website. So you're gonna learn the concepts of building an e-commerce website. So make sure you subscribe to our channel where in the future we're gonna teach you on how to really customize and make it look unique. You can imagine these are things that can be bought by just anyone in the world. So in order for your website to stand out, you're gonna need to know how to customize it in terms of style. If you wanna, build some nice things just so you stand out. So here's the template. Uh, this is my favorite marketplace for softwares. It's called themeforest.net. You can see this theme has already been bought about 11,000 times. So it's really a popular theme. And again, if you want to stand out, you have to know some basic HTML and CSS so that you can style it to your liking. All right, so without much further ado, let's get down to business. We're going to build this in e-commerce website. So what you want to do first is you need to buy it, but if you host with us, we're gonna give you this thing for free. So make sure you whatever hosting package that you purchase with us, you're gonna get this thing for free. Okay. If you don't want to host with us, then you're gonna have to buy it, which is not even that expensive. It's about $60. So yeah, you wanna get that, and you wanna have a domain name. So we're gonna build it on a production server, so it's gonna be ready and accessible all over the world. Okay, so right now we're gonna use this domain gmailfinds.com. Right now it has nothing. You can see no installations, so we're gonna start by installing WordPress. One thing also I want to stress out is, you see this theme, it's an e-commerce one. You have to install WordPress because this is actually a plugin that works well with the WordPress. So we're gonna install WordPress first, then install this theme. Okay, again, this is how our website should look like when we're through with building. Okay, now we can close these other tabs. Now we want to log in first to our control panel, and to do that you're gonna come to our links right here, click login. You know how to save your passwords by now, I believe. You want to look for Spectaculars as always. This should be your friend, Spectaculars app installer. You want to click install WordPress. Right. We're going to use this domain. If you have another domain, you can just click here and they'll all be listed right here. But we're going to use this gmailfinds.com, and you want to select HTTPS because no one's going to trust your e-commerce website if it's not secure. So HTTPS means you're secure, and it shows here connection is secure. That's because we're using HTTPS. Okay. All right. So you've selected your domain, and you wanna give a name of your website. You could say electronics star something. You could say we sell the best electronics in the market. All right, this could be, you could write anything you want here. I'm just gonna go real quick. I'm not gonna be really accurate in this, but I just want to show you the concepts. So admin name, you're gonna use a unique one. Okay, in my case I'm gonna use Ryan Keep. Then the password, I'm gonna use the one that has been generated. I'm just gonna copy that. And then the strength of the password is good, 65 out of 100. We already created this webmail. you don't know how to do that, you can watch our previous videos on how to build a webmail. Okay, this is gonna come in handy if you forget your passwords and you wanna reset your password. So you need to have this. Continue and click install. You're gonna have to wait for a few seconds. And here we are. So here's the front end and the back end. We're gonna log into the back end. So click there. So here's the dashboard electronics star. Okay, you see where this appears? Now this is the clean install. I usually like to get rid of this because I know my way around. So you can customize this. I like customizing my appearance to look as simple as possible. Okay, I usually like to leave this on so that I can see the status of my installation. Okay, there's some recommendations here. You wanna always work on this. So you should remove inactive plugins. To do that, come to plugins, install plugins. And since these are fresh installed, we're gonna get rid of all the plugins so that we can start afresh. Okay, delete. All right, so what's left? If I go back to dashboard and click site health screen, again, there's a recommendation you should remove inactive themes. Okay, should inactive themes. So we're gonna do that again. Appearance, inactive themes. So here's themes. So we only need to leave one default theme. The rest are gonna have to go. Delete, delete. And now we're left with only one theme, and that's what we want. So if you go again back to your dashboard, click on site health screen. You see, nothing here. Wait for the results to load, and we're good. You want to make sure you get this before you start building anything, okay? That way you know you're doing stuff in the right setting. All right, now what we need to do is install our theme. Okay, so we're gonna go to appearance, themes. All right, add new and upload theme. So I'm gonna choose a file, and I'm gonna look for the theme. The theme is called. I actually added the theme to my desktop, so you can find yours to wherever you downloaded it. So mine, I set it to download to desktop. So I'm gonna double click to install, and here it is. So all you have to do is click install now. Alright, so once the installation finishes, you're gonna have to click on activate. Alright, and you're gonna, and one more thing that we need to add is another plugin called Demo Importer. So I'm gonna have to go to plugins. All right, go to plugins, click on add new, then click on upload, choose file, go to your computer to wherever you're gonna download it. So in my case, it's at the desktop, and this is the plugin. It's called Demo Importer. Okay, you wanna make sure you upload that and click install. Install now. Okay, so once installed, again you have to activate the plugin. All right, once you've done that, now we need to install all the recommended plugins. So it says this theme requires the following plugin, so we're gonna have to download all this. Okay, We're not going to use WBakery page builder because I personally don't like it. I like using Elementor, which is right here. I honestly like using Elementor. All right, so we're gonna download all this. So we're gonna click on begin installing plugins, and I'm gonna pause the video and come back when it's done. It takes some time, so you're gonna have to select everything and click install. Okay, again, I'm gonna pause the video and come back when it's done. So install, then apply. All right, all installations have completed. Now we click on return to record plugins installer. All right, so here you're gonna have to select everything and click activate, then click on apply. This way it's gonna activate all these plugins. Again, plugins have functions. They put different functions to our website. All right, so the following plugins were activated successfully. Okay, now you're gonna have to click on return to dashboard. All right, and you'll be directed here where WooCommerce is another plugin that helps you build your store. Okay, without e-commerce, you're not gonna call your website an e-commerce website because this is the sole purpose. This is like the main reason why it's called an e-commerce. So this is the plugin that helps you sell your products online. So you're gonna have to create an account. You're gonna put your details, everything, country, region. But in this video, we're not gonna do that. So if you have questions, you can always leave them in the comment sections below. Or it's not really hard to do this. So you can just follow the prompts here, and you should be good to go. Okay. For now, we're just gonna skip setup store details, and don't forget to click yes, count me in. If you click no thanks, usually based on my experience, you're gonna get into trouble somehow with the installation and stuff. So I recommend that you click yes, count me in. All right, so you just wait. And you're gonna get this pop-up right here. Welcome to your e-commerce store online HQ. So I'm gonna skip all this for now. I'm just gonna show you how the website should look at the front end. I don't know if you open front end, you see, normally you usually just see visit site, but since this is an e-commerce website, you're gonna see this link again, this visit store, if you hover your mouse over here. So if we go to our front end right now, it doesn't look that good because we have not installed the the demos and stuff, right? So we're still working on that. You see, this is how it looks. So we need to make it look beautiful, just like I told you how it's going to look. Okay, so the next thing is we're going to install the demo, and just so we can make it look good and ready to go. So we're gonna go back here and appearance. If you hover your mouse right here, appearance, you're gonna click on import demo data. Okay, click on that. Once there, you're gonna see this screen. So there's two options for building website using Elementor and WBakery. Again, I always recommend Elementor because it usually makes my life easier. So the demo that we're going to import is the one that I showed in the beginning of the video. So this one right here. So we're going to use Ajax. Ajax is a technology whereby, for example, if you want to load something, the whole page doesn't have to refresh. It kind of refreshes without the whole page refreshing. You can load stuff without this thing rotating. So maybe I'll explain later what that means. So Elementor, this is what we're going to import. So I'm just gonna click on import. Then I'm gonna pause the video and come back when it's done. Right now it's downloading all the necessary media and stuff. So again, I'll pause the video and come back when it's done. And now the import is complete. You can see right here. Now to check if everything is okay, we're gonna go to our front end. So again, you're gonna click on visit site. All right. Everything should be fine. Just wait. And yeah, everything looks great. Now we have our e-commerce website on our live domain name. This could be your business name, whatever business domain name you have. Again, if you want a domain name, you know how to do it. You can watch our previous video on how to buy a domain. Okay, so jimmyfinds.com. This is unique. No one else in the world has this domain name. That's the beauty of domain names. Okay, so you can see all these pop-ups. We can create all this. All right, so you see our website is up and running right now. So we just need to upload stuff and make it our own. So these are the demos. This could be your products. You could click on stuff here. You could shop by department. See, shop by departments. All this. All right. So in my next video, I'm gonna show you how to. Actually, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a product. So to add a product, you're gonna have to come back to your dashboard. Click on dashboard. Then once on the dashboard, you wanna look for products. You see there's so many options because of all the plugins that we added. One of them is WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is what helps you run your store. Okay, without WooCommerce, you'll not be able to sell products online. So WooCommerce, just come to WooCommerce, then products. You can first of all you can see all the products, right? Here are all the demos. Okay, so these are the products that were pre-installed just for you to see how it looks. Of course, if you want to add your own product, you can click on add new. Then we're going to add something as an example. So this is an electronic e-commerce. So we're going to look for something to sell. Could be